Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to sign the numbers 1 through 100. I previously made a video on YouTube on the numbers 1 through 10, and I didn't tell you about a little rule with some of the numbers in 1 through 10, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you about that today. So with the numbers 1 through 5, you're going to sign them with your back of your hand facing out. But I'm going to turn my hand so I can show you the way that you position your fingers. Okay, so let's get started now. All right, 1 should be this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for 6 through 10, you do turn your hand this way. Okay, so for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your thumb and pinky are going to meet for 6, then your next finger, your ring finger, 7, 8, middle finger to thumb, 9, pointer to thumb, and 10. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for 10, you're just going to make an A and just turn your wrist. 10. Now we're going to sign the rest of the numbers. 11. 11. Flick it twice. 11. 12. Turn your hand this way. 12. Now for 13, you're going to make a 3, 13, 13, 13, same thing with 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15. Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now for 16 through 20, there's going to be a little bit different. So you're going to make a 6, 16. So it's kind of like 10 plus 6, 16. So make in that 16, 17, make a 7, 17, make an 8, 18, make a 9, 19, and 20. You might see some people do 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So those are different ways that you can sign those numbers 16 through 19. Now we're going to start with 21. Point your finger out and your thumb. 21. 21. Just wiggle your thumb. 21. All right, 22. Make a 2, 22. 22. 23. Make a 3 and wiggle your middle finger. 23. 23. 24 is going to be 24. So thumb, pointer, make an L to the 4. 24. So 24. Now, 25, you can do the same thing. 25, or you can go palm flat out, 25 with your middle finger, 25. So 25 or 25. 26, so make an L to the 6. 26, same thing with 27, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 30. Now we're going to go above 30. 31, 32, 33, so 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So for the rest of the numbers, there's not anything special with them. Once we're past the 20s, it's all just the same. You just move through the numbers. So 40, 41, 42, 43, and then 44. So like 44, 33, 55. That's how you do those with the double digits. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Now you'll notice that as I'm signing these numbers, even the ones 1 through 5, the palm is facing you, and that is correct. Whenever you sign the numbers 1 through 5 and it's in a double digit number like 72, you don't do 72, it's just 72. It's only when it's by itself, like 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So you're going to do a 1 and then transition to a C. 100. All right, so those are the numbers 1 through 100. Now some tips that may help you remember the numbers is you'll notice that once I get to 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm just going down the order of my fingers. 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, see you guys later.